When the switch off is a starting button, just click delete. Delete. When restarting is now clicking delete. Delete or F2. If delete not works, so click here is clicking delete or F2, maybe F2. So comes, so here is to enable the system. So this is our SSD and this is our partition 1, partition 2. Got it? So you have to check here. Advanced mode. So here advanced mode, you have to come here showing our RAM is 32 GB and everything is shown here. So comes here, click the arrow sign and go the security mode and secure boot. Click secure boot already is enabled and standard mode option. So boot, come here is just here setting you need to update. Just click here, first select the USB and second also USB boot to. So second sequence is here, third is here. So everything is working fine. So first boot no need, disable this. Okay, so click extension and save it. Just click yes. So our Windows setting is coming here. So you have to change, click everything fine. So next install. Okay, agree button and click the install. Just click next. Product key, I do not have product key. So I am trying to pro. Next, so come here and accept this. So here my need to delete heads up permission. So that is my SSD. Sorry, where is my SSD? Maybe this need to delete or delete partition. Delete partition. Delete partition. And also this is my delete permission. So this is my SSD. Normally SSD showing is above, but here SSD showing my in the below, and this partition both is my pen drive. So this is my first partition, this is my hard disk. Hard disk 1 partition 1 and hard disk 2, this is my partition 2. So I am keeping this piece. So I need to install in my hard SSD. So I want to install my Windows in SSD. So click the SSD this one. This is the this one, and both is more than 900 GB. So this is my hard disk, 1 KB, 1 terabyte. So this is my SSD. Select this and click next. So just click the button, install button. So now my Windows is installing. So you should wait here. So my installation is completed. So restarting now PC. So we are restarting now automatically. We have to wait now to check the next setting to configure our Windows. So here is also loading 0%. We need to wait here. How much time need? So it's also running fast, 33%. So I hope it will finish quickly. So yeah, increasing. So you can skip this. Waiting for setting next setting. So let's restart this video. Again restarting now. So waiting for next setting. What will come? Just wait. When the any question or anything asked to us, then we will answer. We have to wait. The installation is 94%. So Windows just a moment comes here. So we have to click the setting. The country is Bangladesh. Select yes. So I click US. Skip. So as this our Ethernet is connected, so it's looking to check for updating from the latest Windows update. So it's just keep our PC on. We have to wait for the next setting. So and ask your name. So I put my name and click the next. So just show in another setting. Wait for a moment. Waiting for now. So again restarted now in this step. So we're waiting for next setting. So just wait. So click here. I am using personal, so click the next. So now comes the unlock Microsoft account. So any alternative option. So there is no skip option. So click the sign in button. Sign in option. So I am putting my email. So my connected account is connected. So just waiting for the personalization. So create a pin. So I am creating my pin. Pin is completed. So just hitting OK. So I am restarting this. No need to this person is really offer. So accept. So this is my PC. So I want to set up as a new more option. There is many PCs. So set up as a new PC. Just click here. Click here. So I want to get it as a new PC. So just wait for Windows 11 version. So I am clicking this development process and accept. No need skip. So it's also skip. Access no need. No need access. So decline. Also decline. Set up Outlook email for Windows. Okay. So okay, we can use this here. Just next button.